Hello guys, today we're going to look at animals. And here, I'm in the zoo, but you can't believe me. There's animals in this place. Is this a marker or something? It's supposed to be a marker. So let me show you around. So let me show you real life. I'll show you a real life crocodile. Bro, that's so scary. I'm gonna get over 1 million likes today. Hey look, this is where all the fishes are.
See any fish?
Okay, there's no fish. Okay. Guys, you can't believe what I'll see. Okay. Let me go back to my table, okay? Oh my. It's a monkey. Oh. Well, the monkey's only closing his eyes and opening them. And look at this. It's a real life outfit. It's a real life outfit. It's a baby. It's literally a baby. I'm gonna get over 1 million. Oh, it just moved. This is incredible. This is incredible. We try to find more for you. Wait. What the heck is that? You see? Oh! Okay, I'm gonna try to look for another one, okay? Oh my head. This is insane, guys. Oh, that's just a statue. Oh, just break his eyes. Oh, now I know it's not a statue. What?
That's a waterfall.
Look at that, that's amazing, right? But it's not real, I know that. That's so awesome. Oh my God. Gorilla. Oh! Just moved its head. Oh! Bro, wait. Where is the animal at? Gotta keep on finding one. Let's check out it. Come on, let's go. Broskies, this is so awesome. I'm gonna get over 1 million right now. If you see this. Oh! Oh, that was so scary. Try again. Oh! That was so awesome. What else? What else animal was here? Oh, yeah. Bro, I'm going to get over 1 million. You know what? I said this a lot of times. I'm going to get over 1 million, yeah. I know I'm going to get over 1 million. Oh, did it just move? It won't even move. Want me to show you a monkey, Damon? Yes. Want me to show you a monkey? Yes. Here, want to go see a monkey? Okay, Damon, let's go. Want me to hold your hand? Oh. It's a monkey. Look at the monkey. Look. You see it? Up there. No. No, not that monkey. I'm talking about that monkey. Look at that. The monkey is going to move. Want the monkey to move? Then keep on watching. Get closer to the monkey. Get closer. No, I'll be. Okay. Hey, Jalen, want to get closer? Here, get. Look at it. It's a monkey. Wait. No. Jalen. No.
She doesn't want to get down.
Oh, I want to play with her. Please. Oh, I'm going to get over 1 million. Over a Momax. Broskies, I'm going to get over 1 million of subscribers. That's what's going to happen because I showed you the animals. So, make sure to like and subscribe in this place. I don't know what the place is called, but I don't know. It's just a random restaurant. Bye.